Okay, here's our revised drawings. The island has been resized, so this is to scale a 98-inch, 68-inch top. The only issue is we had to cut about 5 inches out, so these posts are pretty close to the cabinet. So perhaps we just shave a couple inches off these base cabinets to make it a little bit more of substantial distance from the face of the cabinet to the inside of the post, just to make it look like the posts are actually needed. So looking at the face, that's too much of an angle. Let's look at it this way. Face of the island, apron sink, this would be the trash and appliance lift. Yes, we can put a rollout under here, under the appliance lift, dishwasher. Back of the island are doors with adjustable shelves. Fridge cabinet, this would be paneled. I increased the height of the cabinets where it's appropriate just to give it a broken up look. We have the double oven, microwave here, drawer underneath, and looking at the top of this cabinet for tray dividers, your plate rack, carb cabinet, Lazy Susan in there. This stands up, corner clip, two big drawers under the 48-inch cooktop, 48-inch wide hood with about 6 inches left and right for cabinets. Another little tray divider, spice pull-out, drawer stack, pantry cabinet with pull-outs in there. 24-inch wide beverage fridge, and originally we were going to make these a little shallower, but if this is 24, which is what they come in, typically, these cabinets need to be made 24. So this really breaks up this big run. One idea from the designer was to recess this so it's not so obtrusive. My only hesitation with that, I understand what she's saying, is if we sink this back from the 25.5 it currently is to 18, the corners of the granite are going to be sticking out. And when you open up these doors, you don't want them to hit the corner of the granite because these have to be special hinges to open up and clear the inside of the cabinet to make room for the drawers or the rollouts to come out. Angled corner cabinet with glass. This comes out about 18 inches. That door is about 12 minus the frame, so the glass width will be about 7.5 or so. Floating shelves, if we still want to do those. So there we have it. And you can see the line item on there if you wanted to change to that door with that extra detail on the inside. Anyway, let me know what you think of this, and we'll take it from there. Thanks, guys.